guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for my Walgreen haul video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. If you have any question, also leave it in the comment section and let's go see what deals we can find. This week, Walgreen have the whole blend on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. I'm going to pick up 2, and we have a 3 off 2 in our app that will drop it down to $5. I'll pay the 5 and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. This was a very easy transaction. The 3 off 2 coupon came off and I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid just 62 cents out of pocket, and I got back a $4 register reward for buying 2, making these 2 bottles just $1 or 50 cents each. I picked up the Walgreen brand freezer bags. They on sale for $2.79, and when you buy 1, you get 2 free. So I picked up 3, and that will make each box just 93 cents. I was hoping I would get a paper cement booster with this transaction, but nothing happened. I redeemed $3 Walgreen cash and paid just 1 cent out of pocket. The new Dove Scalp Hair Therapy is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $10 register reward back. I'm going to pick up 2 of the scalp serum, priced at $12.99 each. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $6.49. Both will total $19.48. I have 2 of these $3 Pili coupon I'll use for this product, but we have a $3 in our app. In case if you don't have the coupons I have, you can use the $3 we have in the app and submit your receipt to Shopmium for the second one. But with my $6 coupon, it's going to drop it down to $13.48, and I'll get $10 register reward back, making both of them just $3.48 or $1.74 each. I have a digital spend 30 get $7 Walgreen cash booster that will add to this transaction. The next deal I'll add will be a Colgate deal. They're on the deal of buy 2, you get $4 register reward back, and they're on sale for $4. I'll pick up one of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste at $4, and my second item will be the Colgate toothbrush, the one that says $5.99. That's the one that is on sale for $4. These 2 items will total $8. For the toothpaste, we have a $2 digital coupon, and also for the toothbrush, we have a $2 digital coupon. Both coupons will take off 4 and drop it down to $4. I'll pay that and get $4 register reward back, making both items free. The last deal I'll add before I check out will be on the Garnier Fruities. They're on sale for 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. Just a reminder, this is the same deal as the whole blend, so if you want to do both, make sure you do them in separate transactions. I'll pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioner at $8, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5, and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. This was another easy transaction. You can see all the items I picked up, the 2 Dove, the Colgate, and the Fruities. Everything worked out very well. The 2 paper coupon came off, and my $3 came off for the Fruities. The coupons for the Colgate came off as well. I ended up using $12 register reward to pay for this, paid $10.48 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back my $10 for the Dove, $4 for the Colgate, and another $4 for the Fruities. And I also got back $7 Walgreen cash for the digital spend booster. This transaction ended up being free and a $2.52 moneymaker. The last deal I did today was on Dove body wash. They're on sale for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. So I picked up 2, and both total $14. We have a $2 digital coupon, which will drop it down to $12. I'll pay that and get $4 register reward back. Ibotta is giving back $2 on each product, but it says without coupon. And also you can submit your receipt to Shopmium for a $2 back on the second Dove that we don't have any coupon on. This transaction worked out very well. The $2 digital coupon came off, dropping it down to $12 plus tax. I redeemed $10 Walgreen cash, and I paid just $3.09 out of pocket, and I got back my $4 register reward for buying 2. And I'll submit my receipt to Shopmium for a $2 back on the second item. That will end up making these 2 body wash just $6 or $3 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.